Good morning, Matias. Welcome. My name is Facundo, and I'm the lead recruiter for this project. We are excited about your application for the developer role. We have reviewed your resume, and it looks promising. But to get started, can you please start with a brief introduction to your professional profile?
Good morning. Thank you. I am 21 years old and I am currently in the first year of the technical degree in programming. As you can see on the slide, my main focus is development. I can confidently handle basic programming tasks in Java, and I am very eager to learn and grow with your Scrum team.
That's great enthusiasm. It's good that you are already applying these methodologies during your technical degree. On that topic, your resume mentions a restaurant app. Can you tell us a bit more about that? Have you started working on that project recently?
Yes, during my first year, my partner and I developed the first version of the app. The main objective was to manage client orders and track inventory. We strictly follow Scrum principles from the beginning, working in 2 week sprints.
That's a strong start. For a university project, that's impressive. Handling a full Scrum workflow with just two people can be challenging, especially when defining the roles. How have you managed the Scrum roles being only a two-person team?
It has been a great learning experience. As you can see on your structure, my partner acted as the product owner. He managed the backlog and defined the user stories. I took on the developer role.
I see. So you had the key roles covered. And what about the Scrum Master?
We both shared that responsibility. We held daily check-ins to discuss progress and any blocks. This system has worked very well for use so far, as we are both very organized.
That's a very agile approach. Sharing the facilitator role is a mature solution for a small team. So let's move on to the technical side. Based on that developer role, what are your key development tasks?
My daily tasks are focused on coding in Java and managing updates to the database structure. If I have any problems, I report them immediately so we can remove the block, which is the key goal of the Scrum Master.
Okay, that's very clear. Now, at our company, we use Jira for tracking and Git for version control. They are critical to our daily workflow. How long have you used these specific tools?
I have used Git for about a year, so I am very comfortable with pull requests and merging. I started using Jira for these specific projects, so I am still learning, but I can manage the board and mute tasks.
Excellent. It's good you are already familiar with them. Finally, as you know, Scrum relies heavily on soft skills and self-organization. What skills make you suitable for that kind of self-organizing team, despite the lack of professional experience?
I am motivated by the challenge of learning new technology. My work objective is to quickly become a reliable developer. I can promise dedication and focus on the definition of done on every task.
Thank you, Matthias. Your enthusiasm is clear, and we appreciate you detailing your project experience. You've given us a great overview of your skills. We do have other candidates to interview, but we will be in touch soon regarding the next steps. Have a great day.
Thank you for your time. Goodbye.